Probably most of you came in here today thinking we're going to do a workshop on accounting, but I want you to shift your thinking, because it's not accounting, it's business thinking that we're talking about today, and these are all skills that you can learn. We need to be able to explain to the shareholders and to the stakeholders of our business what's going on inside of our business. So we need to close the books at the end of the month and match all the revenues with all the expenses to get a meaningful profit and loss statement. And what's also really important to realize about the matching principle is it does not matter when money changes hands. And the sole purpose of that commentary is to inform the stakeholders about all the things that are happening that are going to affect the earnings for the hotel. It's important to remember that all profit and loss statements are designed differently, but all statements should be in accordance with the Uniform System of Accounts for the lodging industry. So gross operating profit is what's commonly referred to as the manager's number, because everything above the gross operating profit line are the items that the manager controls, all the operating and all the non-operating departments. The most important thing for a hotel to have is a diverse market segmentation. And the reason why is certain aspects of our economy can really dictate problems or headwinds for certain segments. Hotels will actually pay STR a subscription to receive this information. And what it allows the hotel to do is to see how they're performing in their marketplace relative to their competition.
And why is it so important for them to get those financial skills?
Well, it's the ticket to the executive office. If you want to be a senior leader in hospitality, you need to know your numbers.
And taking on that idea of taking chances, encouraging people to do that, to create that kind of climate, what kind of benefits do you think that can bring to a property?
Well, when people feel like they have some ownership in what's going on, they feel like they have actually, they make a difference, they have an impact, that's huge. And it's one of our basic human needs is to make a difference, to have an impact. And if you can show people that their numbers actually affect overall operation of the hotel, and those numbers are shared with the owners and the investors and the bank, the brand, they see that they make a difference. And that's huge as far as personal needs go. And I know what probably some of you are thinking right now, but stick with it. It's really a simple concept, and it's one that once you understand it is a very powerful tool to help you analyze any financial statement. So the contribution margin is the opposite of the cost. So if my cost is 30%, then my contribution margin is 70%. And really what that means is I need to know what are the most profitable items I sell. And I need to teach my servers and my catering and conference services people to sell the most profitable items first. You know, each month in the hotel is like a new performance. We get to start over again. The window opens and closes on the financial system every month. So we start with F, which stands for forecast, and then T, which stands for track, A, which stands for adjust, R, which stands for review, and W, which stands for write.